Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and right now I am going to show you how to integrate the Qikink with the Shopify. So here, this is a popular print-on-demand platform. So the first thing you need to do here is to visit this website, the Qikink.com, and sign up for a free seller account. Once logged in, guys, head to their dashboard and click the here Connect Store, or you can also tap on this Shopify. So select Shopify as your platform, then enter your Shopify store URL and log into Authorized Qikink to access your Shopify store. And next, guys, you just need to browse the Qikink product catalog, choose items you want to sell, like t-shirts or mug, use their built-in design tool to add your custom artwork. And next is when your product is ready, you can click push to store. And then this will automatically add your customized product to your Shopify store's product list, making it live and ready for your customers. And that's a complete guide on how to integrate this website with Shopify for print-on-demand dropshipping. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more e-commerce tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye!